comments, Kim.
Darling,
You
no
can't take
matter
it.
what you do, kahit mag-campaign ka 24/7,
I'm not campaigning about you. You are nothing
like
to me, Kim.
People
You're
will
nothing.
still
I'm
love
simply
me. So no
pointing
matter
out the
what, honey,
obvious. Okay,
wala
what the
nga. You
obvious
will
thing
always
is,
be nga. You
the
will
obvious
always
thing
be
is,
nga.
look at you, how
Mag-campaign
disrespectful
ka
you are.
man, mag-campaign
Napakakalye
ka na
mo talaga.
mag-campaign, marami pa rin nagmamahal sa akin.
Kalye si Kim.
As simple
Kalye si
as
Kim.
that.
You can't even
As
respect
simple as
me.
that,
Just to
Day.
speak right
Nakakaawa
now.
ka kasi, alam mo,
Look at you.
nababastos ka na ng mga tao,
No,
binabastos
the thing
ka na
is
ng
with
mga tao,
me, okay, the thing
andyan
is
ka
with
pa
me,
rin.
even if people
You wanna
disrespect me,
be
even if people,
Kasi gusto mo maging
make
relevant
comments
eh.
about
Ang
me,
problema sa'yo,
I don't
gusto
let
mo
that
maging
affect me.
relevant.
You,
Anong
ikaw,
gagawin?
mag-iiyak ka
Meron
na
talagang
dyan, okay?
magkakagusto sa akin.
Iiyak ka dyan because you
Ganon.
can't handle criticisms, okay?
Sino iiyak?
I'm a
Bakit ako
mature
iiyak sa isang
adult.
katulad mo na hindi mo nga mailabas yung mukha mo eh?
I'm
You keep
mature,
on
okay,
talking
Kim?
shit
You
about me,
cannot.
but you can't
cannot
even
tell
show
me.
your face.
Oh,
Why
please.
can't you show
Now
your
you're
face?
gonna go there.
That's the reason. That's
No.
the reason. You will be forever basher. You will be forever basher.
Absolutely
Kasi nga,
not,
hindi mo
okay?
kayang ipakita yung mukha mo. Nambabash ka na nambabash. Hindi naman papakita yung mukha mo because you're
It
scared.
is my choice
That's
not to
the
show my
reality.
face, okay? It has
You
nothing
are
to do
a
with what I'm
basher.
talking about.
Hindi kayang
No,
ipakita yung mukha
no.
kasi matapang
The
ka lang
takeaway
dahil
here,
nagtatago
Kim,
ka.
the takeaway
As
is
simple as
you
that.
cannot
Magtago na lang tayo
handle
na
that
magtago.
Kay and Ginger
Mangbash na lang
left
tayo
you.
na mangbash.
You
Kasi
cannot
nga,
handle that
nakatago
Kay and
naman
Ginger
yung
left
mukha
you.
mo. Ganun.
You
As simple
cannot
as that.
handle that
As
Kay and
simple
Ginger
as that.
left
As
you.
simple as
You
that.
cannot
Who said I can't
handle
handle?
that Kay
If
and
I can't
Ginger left
handle,
you.
I'm still here.
Okay?
I'm still
That's
here.
the fact here.
I'm still here.
You can't handle it.
You keep on
cannot
saying I can't
it.
handle I can handle anything, but I'm still here. Hindi mawawala at mabubura. You can't bring me down because you know why? I don't know you. I don't know you.
You don't
Nobody
have
knows
to know
you.
me, okay?
Nobody knows you.
You don't have to know
You've
me.
been bashing
I
me and
have things
hiding
to
sa
say
dami
about how
account.
toxic
You
you
can't
are,
handle
and
me.
you can't handle
You
it.
can't put me down.
You know,
as simple
you've
as
been
that. No
talk
matter
about
what
someone.
you do,
Talk
I'm
about
still
someone
gonna
who's
be
been a
here.
campaign.
I'm still
Talk
gonna
about
be
someone
here.
who's been a campaign for the last 3
Mag-campaign ka
weeks.
man ng
Because you know,
mag-campaign ka man ng mag-campaign, wala ka nang magagawa. Hindi mo ako mapapatanggal sa TikTok, okay? No matter what you do, hindi mo ako mapapatanggal sa TikTok. I will always be here and I've been here for 3 years, 4 years. Hindi mo ako mapapabagsak. As simple as that. Kasi ang gusto mo lagi, makinig yung mga tao mo sa pagpapabagsak sa akin. Hindi mangyayari yan, Day. It's not gonna happen. Seriously, it's not gonna happen. I will always be here. Tama yung host, tama si Laila. Nag-world tour ka. And why are you doing this world tour? Campaigning na mapabagsak ako dito? Campaigning na i-hate nila ako? It's not gonna happen. Like I said, maraming toxic sa TikTok, maraming toxic sa... Ang daming bully dito sa TikTok. Pero meron at meron pa rin na magmamahal sa akin. At meron pa din magmamahal sa kabilang group. It's just as simple as that. As simple as that. Kaya yung sinasabi mong world peace is not gonna happen. Kahit nga ang presidente, walang magawa sa mga bully dito eh. 'Di ba? Walang magawa ang mga tao dito. Kasi this is already TikTok world. May toxic, may mga away. Hindi natin makokontrol to dito. You can't control the heat. Then you get out of TikTok. Kasi itong TikTok, ganito na yan. Even before you came out, TikTok na to. This is TikTok. Merong sa Pilipinas, kahit Cambodia, Thailand, South Africa, Canada, Europe, may bardagulan. Pero nakafocus ka lang sa akin. Sa dami ng toxic dito, sa TikTok, sa akin ka lang nakafocus. Why? 'Di ba? Because you are obsessed.